Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna help you to set up always on display function on this Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's wake our watch by pressing this digital crown. Now swipe up to trigger the control sensor and click on this settings icon. Go to the display and scroll down and select always on display. So here, if you choose smart, that means that the time will be displayed even when you turn them off, but it works only when you wear them on your hand. And as you can see, this warning pops up about increasing battery usage, but just ignore it if you want to use this function. And select always on display. Go back here, scroll down again. And if you choose schedule, that means that your display will be always on during the time that you have set up. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.